Alright, in this video I'm going to show you the text button object. Over here in the object panel you simply just double click on text button, or you can even insert objects from up here in the menu as well. I'll insert a new text button for you, so we can drag this wherever we want, and we can resize it however we want as well, to whatever size we want. Works pretty flawlessly inside the editor. And then what we'll do is we'll take a look at the settings. So the settings for the text button object give you a wide range of settings. So first of all, you can choose and customize the font for it. So let's go with a bit of a funky font. Let's choose something a bit funky. I've got lots of fonts installed here, so we can literally take our pick. Let's go with Distant Galaxy. No, I don't like that one actually. Let's go with Dubai. I like that. I like the look of that font. So we're gonna go with a font size of about 12. So we can choose all these different ones as well here, depending on what kind of font it is and what kind of styles it has. I'm just gonna go with a regular for now. Don't bother choosing the colour here because there's a different colour setting for that. So we just click OK. So that's the font and the font size chosen. Then we can go to colours. We can choose the background colour of the actual button itself. So let's go for a nice dark grey blue. And then the font colour we're going to go for white. And then the text we're going to call it, let's call it a launch button. And then the usual settings are here: cursors, sound effects for the hover and the click of the buttons, and then the actions as well. So when the user clicks the button, what do you want to happen? And as you can see, it's pretty much straightforward. That pretty much a straightforward object to use inside GLC. Don't forget to rename it up here in the friendly launch button, so you can keep a track of which button is which easier. And then yeah, we can duplicate that. We can make a whole series of them buttons. So the text button object, pretty easy object to get to grips with inside GLC v3.